And time now for a bite of the week. This evening it comes from the political platform. The race for PNP president is heating up. The incumbent Dr. Peter Phillips launching his One PNP Powerful Together campaign last night.
But days ahead of that move, Dr. Dayton Campbell, the campaign manager for the challenger Peter Bunting, speaking at a PNP meeting in Portmore, St. Catherine on Sunday, made some scathing remarks about the state of readiness of the PNP.
And in the same breath, he outlined why a change of leader is needed. Here's our Bite of the Week.
Bite of the Week.
When people come and tell you about it's not the right time, I hear my vice president tell me, say, footballer play, and he my striker, and Dr. Phillips are the keeper. Well, when we go down to Southeast St. Mary, we get 1. We go over Portland and we get 2. And if we're under 2 love, the coach are going to make a change. I could have the 8 minutes.
Bite of the Week.
All right, so he's neither a striker, I've been told, or a keeper. And the lead story in Primetime Sports this evening has nothing to do with football.
No, nothing about striking or keeping.
All right, Jordan Fort is here. You'll have to stick around to find out what they're going to be talking about right after the break.